not going to be a whole lot to today's video. Starting off here with the weather. Fairly decent temperatures for this time of year, end of October, and I don't mind that one little bit. I get some more rain coming. Not a whole lot, but you know, it's there. And of course, we got our special weather statement. Yeah, winds again. It's that time of year. And just 3 days later, quite a temperature drop. A big difference from what it was. But if you notice down the bottom, snow icon, less than a centimeter. It's the first I've seen snow in the actual forecast. Uh-oh. I get looking around in the forecast, checking out the radar and that, and I see a radar glitch here. It kind of looks like an explosion. Like maybe a weather bomb exploded. Yeah, I know. Bad humor, I know. I thought it was kind of interesting. I'm out of my scooter. It's raining a little bit. And I just went out to Walmart and back. And on my way back, we're getting ice pellets. And tried to find a place where you could actually hear it hitting the camera, but the rattling is just too much. You can't really hear it. But no snow, but we were getting ice pellets. So it's getting closer. I reported on this when it actually happened, but my videos have caught up to it now, so I'm just going to just revisit it a little bit.
At about 10:40 Tuesday evening, there were reports of a 3-passenger vehicle crash in the northbound lanes of Highway 400, about 1.5 kilometers north of 11th Line. Cars started slowing down as a result on the highway. Then, about 40 minutes later, things got much worse. Traffic was backed up in the center and right lanes. And that's when a fuel tanker slammed into another fuel tanker. There were 14 vehicles, including 3 transports and 2 fuel tankers involved in the fiery crash. It took 2 hours and close to 10 fire departments to get the fire under control. What was left after the flames went out was a devastating scene of carnage.
I really feel bad for the people involved in this, especially the families left behind. And it's not a nice thing to have happen, that's for sure. So I'm going to leave you with another weather forecast type thing here. Another storm system coming in. And it's that time of year. We get a lot of wind, rain, wild temperature swings. Lots of storms this time of year. So Mother Nature spreading her seeds around, getting everything ready for spring. So, thanks for watching.
Active weather for southern Ontario continuing into this weekend as we're keeping an eye on yet another fall storm system taking aim at the Great Lakes. Let's take a look at this setup. On Friday, we'll have a clearing cold front leading to falling temperatures, returning to near seasonal for Saturday, but that's going to be coupled with a developing raw east wind that's actually going to leave things feeling a lot colder than the single-digit high temperatures that we have in the forecast. Later in the day on Saturday, we're going to see the warm front approaching with our next system that's going to lead to widespread showers and even some snow developing across the northern tier for the Nickel Belt and perhaps some mixing even as far south as Cottage Country. We'll have a bit of a break early on Sunday as the cold front moves in, but then widespread heavy downpours and yes, even some thunderstorms developing as the system begins to move through the Great Lakes. And that's all thanks to some instability that we have because of warm temperatures at the surface, colder air aloft. That's going to build some instability into the region, providing some fuel for some thunderstorms, some of which might even be severe. The Storm Prediction Center already highlighting a region from the southern Great Lakes into the Ohio Valley where severe thunderstorms will be possible on Sunday, and you'll notice that's even creeping into parts of southwestern Ontario, including Windsor and perhaps even as far north as London. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that as this storm system develops. But along with the chance for thunder is going to come some very heavy downpours, more additional rainfall as strong southerly flow develops, transporting rich Gulf moisture into the Great Lakes region. That's going to provide ample fuel for some heavy rain with these storms as they form on Sunday afternoon. Maybe as much as 25 to 30 millimeters of additional rainfall. You put that on top of the rain we've seen already this week, some folks might finish out the week with as much as 75 millimeters of rainfall across southern Ontario. So be sure to stay tuned as we continue to track active weather into the weekend.